Love yourself. Sacrifice your lipstick. Can't have everything, girl. Do we like the lighting in this room? Yes or no? Yes? Then let's start. Hello, and welcome back to my channel. Now, this is a content that I was never really planning on doing, but here we are. I don't know about you guys, but whenever I try or plan to buy a bag, I always look for reviews on YouTube. But with this bag and in this particular color, I've not seen anyone doing it. So I thought to myself, why not do it? Here she is. Now, I've had it for like 2 weeks and I've not opened it until I can do this video because I want my reaction to be genuine. Yeah, let's start by opening the box. I'm very excited to see it in person. Let's start. There's a note. Look! From me to me. Love yourself. Ooh, it does come with a paper bag. So cute. Okay, let's get to that. Are you ready? Okay, comes with a little dust bag. Cute. Look, it's so cute. Open it.
Wow!
Close up. You know what? I don't like it. I love it. So cute. Okay, let's remove cover. Yeah. There's no returning now. This bag is called the Mini Tira Top Handle Bag. And it comes in 4 different colors. So, they have one in like a yellowy mustard color. Then they have it in beige, which I think is so classy as well. And then they have black. This one is called, the color is called Light Celeste. I don't have any bag in this color, so it's perfect. Let's talk about the price. I got this on mega sale. It was 1,416 dirhams when I got it, and then the original retail price was 2,360. So steal. And also because I got it online, they give you a 15% discount on your first order. which was mine. So, happy days! About the quality of the bag, Tory Burch is normally very good. This is my second bag with them. I got the Lee Rudswill and I've had it for 2 years and it's still in pretty good condition. So this one is made out of Napa leather with nickel hardware. I've seen some reviews that over time it can crease, but honestly it's normal. It's normal wear and tear. Now the only con that I can think of is it doesn't have a bag feet. You know those studs that they put underneath to protect the bag from getting dirty when you put it down? That's the only thing. Otherwise, it's perfect. Let's try and see what fit inside. Let's start with my card holder. Lippy. Car and house key. Then my phone. There. Looks perfect. Does it close effortlessly? No. Okay, let's try and adjust it. What is wrong? Okay, let me try and flip my card holder. Let's try and close it. Now it's okay. Oops. Forgot to close it. Now it's okay. It doesn't feel like it's forced or stuffed too much. Okay, now for you guys who doesn't have a flip phone, let's try. I'm gonna remove a lipstick and then open up my flip phone. Yeah. Still fits. But you're gonna have to sacrifice your lipstick. Can't have everything, girl. You can still fit some bills in the middle. There's still some space. But guys, this is a mini bag after all. It's not meant to store a lot of stuff. It's just for cute little things. Let me show you different ways of how you can wear it. I like that it's adjustable because it's always a struggle for me because I'm short. I hope you guys enjoyed that and I hope that it was helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment down below and I will try to answer all of them. See you on the next vlog. Bye!